Morning all of you guys, please listen to me carefully. My name is Aditya Prajat. I am speaking about trees and plants. Trees are very important in our life. Our life is not without trees and plants. We grow more trees and trees gives us fruits, vegetables, stems, leaves and bamboo for burning the chula. And we grow plants many in our surrounding, and we save tree. We do not cut trees, and tree gives us Ayurvedic medicines.
Good morning all of guys, myself Nihal Singh. I am speaking of importance of knowledge. Knowledge is a great important of our life. Knowledge help us decision wrong and right. Knowledge is a power, means a person who has an educated can complete on his knowledge. A person can find respect, power and position in society through the knowledge.
Good evening all of you guys, listen to me carefully. Myself Afri. My today's topic is importance forest and trees. Trees are give a wood, and it is used make a furnitures. Many industries dependent on trees, as like is paper industries, match industries, rubber industries depend on tree. And we should care trees, and we should grow trees. That's all.
Good morning everyone, please listen to me carefully. My name is Mukesh Sharma. In my opportunity to discuss on my favorite teachers. As we all know what important role a teacher in our life. The teacher, those who illuminate us with the light of their knowledge, guide us. That is why the teachers are helpful and sacrifice of. And my favorite teacher is Archana Jain. She is a very kind woman, and the always student understand her. She gives her extra time to weak student.
All of you, myself Prayag Vaishnav, and I am going to speak an opinion on environment. Our environment consists of three natural resources like air, water, soil, etc. Plants and animals are also a part of it. But we are damaging our environment by killing animals, by cutting trees. People kill animals for to eat it. People cutting the trees for to make houses, for to burn, to make the food. This is not a good thing. People were polluting our air, polluting their surroundings, which are not so good. We are going to take some necessary steps to conserve it. First step is that don't use vehicles which were run from the diesels and petrols. Use vehicles which are run from the electricity. These are eco-friendly. Second point is that don't cut trees. It will make a big problem in our surrounding. It will give us air, and in my opinion, I say that grow more and more trees in our surroundings, which will give oxygen to us.
Good afternoon all of you guys. Please listen to me carefully. Myself Shubham Kumar Dodia, son of Mr. Shambhu Kumar Dodia. My topic are important English language. English language is very important language. English language is spoken 70 countries in the world. A person who does not
speak English.
A person who does not speaking English, many problems.
ऐसे बोलो,
a person who does not
speak English,
many
he faces
many he faces many problems in his life.
Excellent.
We need English to communicate with people on the internet, or we can learn English if we work hard.
Excellent. We can learn
work hard
regularly.
English subject is taught among all the school in our countries.
Good evening all of you.
sir.
As you know, my name is Abhay Kumar Gaud, and my today topic is veg food versus non-veg food. I am in the favor of veg food. Veg food digest is very quickly, but non-veg food is digested problem. Digest problem, and it's an inhuman work to kill the innocent animals, and vegetarian food, the cheap rate, available cheap rate, and green vegetable are very healthy, very useful for our body.
Hello guys, good morning. My name is Jatinder Singh and today is my topic body language. Words are one part of communication. We are communicates. We use sit, stand and use our hands in a financial experiential. Or for example, in clean जो है मतलब और might mean anger or stress. May mean resources. They are considered to say in body language.
My topic is that dopamine, the mind chemical reaction. And guys, that time the youngster mostly problem is that the youngster used to the and feel to the work to very laziness to depart their work and like feel to very boringness. At the only for the reason is that the mind chemical reaction dopamine. Guys, I asking something one question. Have any the medical science to bio student have any here? No one is any medical student? No here. Okay, I explain what is the dopamine. As the first of all, the dopamine is the mind chemical reaction. The any human body activities that do any work like the comparison is that mostly cases in comparison there are two parts, education versus party. And guys, the more cases in the student which like to more cases in the party. Guys, this is a party in the like student used to the fun and there to play and enjoy their party. In education, the versus student feel boringness and too much. And the reason is that dopamine. The also depends on interest. Their interest is gone on in their education versus his knowledge about that. One of them scientist, and you talk to the scientist, please performing your dance, and the scientist not capable for the performing the dance, and the dancer to talk with the dancer, you study more than 8 hours, and I think in the cases of the dancer is not capable to the more than 8 hour study to during continuously, and the scientist is doing now, and the all cases is dopamine, the mind chemical reactions.
Good evening everyone. Please listen to me carefully. Myself Hanuman Chaudhary and my topic key of success. Success make a time and hard work, luck, सब चीज़ों का एक कॉम्बिनेशन ही सक्सेस है. और राइट टाइम राइट वर्क, सही समय पे की हुई मेहनत, मतलब राइट टाइम हार्ड वर्क. जैसे समय निकल जाता है फिर अपन मेहनत करते हैं, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं. सही समय पे मेहनत ही सफलता की ओर अपने को अग्रसर करती है.